Hi there, I'm Tom Morgan. Welcome to another monthly diary update from Modality Labs. As you can see, I'm in the Modality Development Office this morning, so that's the reason for the noise. It's kind of standard working day here, plenty of people getting on and doing some cool stuff. It's also the first birthday of Microsoft Teams, which is the reason for all the balloons and the snacks and stuff behind us. So there's plenty to talk about this month. The first thing to draw your attention to is our billing reports for Microsoft Phone System. We've been working on this over the past month. We put out a video earlier this month, so go and watch that if you're interested to find out more about what that does. Really, what we're doing is taking the information in Microsoft Phone System about the phone calls you make and then reporting that to you using Power BI to bring more insights into that data. Now, I spoke last month about our licensing reporting for Office 365 and that project. We're about to run a TAP program, so Technology Adoption Preview program, where customers can have early insight and get early access to the code in response. They can help us, give us their feedback, tell us what they like, tell us what they don't like, and help shape the product. So we have some very limited numbers for that TAP program, so if you're interested, contact us kind of as soon as you can, and if we've got space available, we'll get you on that. So it's Enterprise Connect this week, and we're seeing some great announcements coming out around Teams and intelligent communications, and we're already doing some work, some exciting R&D projects here at the moment about using Teams to kind of help and improve that collaboration of meetings and that meeting experience. And bots are part of that, but it's not just about bots, it's client extensions as well. So being able to take that siloed data that you have in your back office systems and surface it in Teams so that people can collaborate on it and use it to get to improve that communication, improve that collaboration of that data as well. So plenty going on this month to talk about, and encourage you to go back to have a look at our website to keep up to date with everything that's going on as well. Thanks for watching.